Hello, this is a screencast that will prepare you for your midterm, which will be this next Monday at 9 o'clock. So I'll just go into the instructions here. Come to the schedule. On October 25th, you'll see this information. As it indicates here, the midterm will be held in 2234 Harold B. Lee Library. It's a computer lab near the family history section of the library, one floor below the atrium. And make sure you're there right at 9 o'clock. First, what you can do here is click on the midterm exam response sheet. So we'll click on that, and this has your instructions. This is what you'll see on the day of the midterm. So we will give you an article, and I will hand that article out to you. An article will look something like this. This isn't the article, but it would be something like this. And so you would have probably about 2 pages worth. Okay, that's a lot more without those images, but you would have about 2 pages worth of text. And then you'll go through, it says here, you'll follow the instructions for each column in each section, and you'll begin by tackling the before steps. First, you're going to, I will actually assign you a before strategy here, before strategy, a during strategy, and an after strategy. I may give you a strategy that crosses all 3, and so you will make sure you're prepared for that. When you get the strategy, when you determine which is the before strategy I'm asking you to use, you'll list the name of each strategy. It'll probably be just one strategy that you used, and you'll just say the name, like for example, Telegram. Now, Telegram is a before, during, and after strategy, and so this would be just the part of Telegram that's before. So list the purpose of each strategy represented by the before step you used. And so the purpose of Telegram is to do a micro-synthesis in writing as I read along the way. And so you'll put something like that. I have flashcards for you and a study guide that will have this information for you. Then you're going to describe the specific step you used. So in this case, we're using the before step in Telegram, where you just select a place to do your telegrams. Then you come over to the next column where it says describe how using this step or strategy, or describe using this step or strategy, how they helped you unlock the meaning from the article. So you'll see here, for example, Telegram, I made these selections because the introduction talked about 4 key teaching philosophy used in teaching students with special needs. So in this example, notice that I'm talking about Telegram, I'm talking about specific things from the article, and that's the key point. We want you to reference something from the article that you gained by using this particular step. Then you'll list 2 other before strategies. Actually, not 2. I'm going to change that to 1. One other before strategy. And you will name it. You'll name that strategy, and you'll name it, and then you'll explain the purpose of it, and then you will explain why you would use it or not in this case. Now, after you've done that, you're going to then write your specific purpose. You'll write a purpose statement here, just like, or it could be in the form of a question, just like you've done during the semester. Then you come to the during steps, and it's exactly the same thing. And then you'll come to the after steps, and it's exactly the same thing. And then finally, you'll provide evidence that your purpose was met or achieved. And we want to make sure that what you type below is very closely related to the purpose statement in your first page. And you may end up modifying your purpose along the way, and that's totally fine. So that's the response sheet. Let's look at what we have for you to help you prepare to study. If you go to the study guide and download that study guide looks like this. So here we have the reading need or purpose, And so that's the purpose you're going to state. And when you get to this part right here where it says list the purpose, that's where you're going to state your purpose. And so you can memorize these purposes, the name of the strategy, and then the steps. And you'll need that information on the steps when you write the steps here, both the purpose of the strategy, and here would be the specific steps, or in some cases it'll just be one step that you're using in the strategy. Okay, but that's not all. With all of that, you get links to flashcards. And these flashcards are actually for all the strategies in the class, so I just want you to look at the first 11 in each of these decks. And here's what this looks like. So you've got the strategy, and you can, for example, a skeleton, name the steps, name the layers before, during, after for each step. So you just try to do that in your mind and then flip it over. And there's front matter is before, you study the front matter, look for chapter patterns, and that's also before, and then end matter, that's also before. And so the idea is that you just sort of quiz yourself when you see these. Let's go to the next one. Name the steps of thieves, name the if it's before, during, and after. In this case it's all before, and here are the steps. If you use thieves in this article, you'll only use the ones that are relevant on that day. Let's do one that, like overview of reading. You'll notice here we have a before, quick code, selective reading during, and then post view after. And so you'll just go to these 11, but you will not do target, track, and defend. You'll just do up to the 11th one. The other one we have is the purpose. It's the same idea, but here it's just what is the purpose of each one. And so I hope these first 11 cards will be helpful for you to be able to remember and be prepared for your exam. If you have any questions, please email me. All the best. Thank you.